10 simple ways to improve gut health naturally. 1. Eat more fiber. Fiber feeds beneficial gut bacteria and promotes healthy digestion. Include fruits, vegetables, beans, whole grains, and legumes in your meals. 2. Add fermented foods. Foods like yogurt with live cultures, kefir, sauerkraut, kimchi, and fermented vegetables contain beneficial bacteria that can support a healthy gut microbiome. 3. Stay hydrated. Drinking enough water helps digestion, supports nutrient absorption, and keeps bowel movements regular. 4. Eat prebiotic foods. Prebiotics nourish good gut bacteria. Great sources include garlic, onions, bananas, asparagus, oats, and leeks. 5. Limit ultra-processed foods. Highly processed foods that are high in added sugars and unhealthy fats may negatively affect the balance of gut bacteria. 6. Manage stress. Long-term stress can influence gut function. Activities like deep breathing, meditation, exercise, and spending time outdoors may help. 7. Get enough sleep. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night. Poor sleep has been linked to changes in the gut microbiome. 8. Exercise regularly. Regular physical activity supports healthy digestion and may increase the diversity of beneficial gut bacteria. 9. Eat slowly and chew your food well. Eating mindfully and chewing thoroughly helps digestion and may reduce bloating and indigestion. 10. Avoid unnecessary antibiotics. Take antibiotics only when prescribed by a healthcare professional, as they can reduce both harmful and beneficial gut bacteria. A healthy gut supports digestion, immune function, and overall well-being. By making these simple daily habits part of your lifestyle, you can help maintain a healthier gut naturally. If you have persistent digestive symptoms, consult a qualified healthcare professional for evaluation.